In this team's training, we will explore the structure and functionality of teams within Sferal AI. Teams are central to collaboration and resource management, providing a structured environment where users can create, share, and manage agents and sources. In Sferal AI, each user has a dedicated team called My Workspace, while additional teams allow for broader organizational collaboration, such as the organizations. In Sferal AI, teams are flexible, dynamic groups of users designed to facilitate collaboration, project management, and resource sharing. This training outlines the creation of teams, process of assigning members to your teams, structure, roles, and permissions associated with teams, and the process of sharing projects and sources across teams, starting with the key characteristics of My Workspace. Every user in an organization has a dedicated team called My Workspace, which acts as their personal workspace. My Workspace is automatically created upon registering or joining an organization if you register through an invitation. Also, users can create agents and add sources within their My Workspace. To create agents within your workspace, select the Agents button under My Workspace, then select the New Agent button and follow the steps described in our agent creation training. To add sources within your workspace, select the Sources button under your workspace, then select the Add Sources button. For more details on sources, please check out our sources training. Another property of My Workspace is that this team cannot be deleted or renamed. Additionally, no other user can join My Workspace team except the user for whom it was automatically created. Within My Workspace, users are the team manager, project manager, and project admin for the agents they created in My Workspace. For a deep dive into all Sferal AI roles and permissions, please check out our user systems training. Lastly, projects and sources created in My Workspace are only available to the user until they are published. We will now undergo the process of sharing agents and sources to other teams from My Workspace. Users can request to publish their agents to other teams when they feel their projects would provide value to colleagues in those teams. Team managers and admins will then review and approve the requests. Once approved, the agent becomes readable by the approved teams. Additionally, admins can decide which users get the agent manager and agent admin role of the published agent. To share an agent to other teams, click the Agents button under My Workspace. In the Agents tab, you can check out the agents that you created, the agents you shared with your teams, and the agents pending approval to be added to a team. To share an agent to a team, select one or multiple agents, then click on the Add in Teams button. Select one or multiple teams from the drop-down list of the teams that you are part of, then click on the Add button. Once requested to publish an agent to a team, you can see the list of the agents that are pending approval from your admin or team manager. If you are also the admin or team manager, you can directly approve the publishing of the agent. By approving the publishing, your team members, depending on their role, will be able to use and manage the agent you created. Similar to agents, sources created in My Workspace can be requested for publication by the users. Team managers and admins review and approve the publication of sources. Published sources can then be unpublished by the admin or the team manager. The admin or owner can view sources uploaded by users in the organization's source repository. They can also publish these sources to different teams for immediate use without requiring approval. To proceed with publishing the sources within your workspace, select the Sources category from My Workspace. Select the specific sources that you want to make available for a team, then select the Add in Teams button. Choose a team from the drop-down list of the teams you are part of and click on the Add button. Now your sources will be in pending until the admin or the team manager will approve the publishing. Navigate to the Teams section to verify if the agents or sources have been published. Then select the team you allocated your agents and sources to. Access the Sources tab. Now, if you are the team manager or the admin, you can manage and delete the sources. The same concept applies to the shared agents. You can access them from the Agents tab within the selected team. And if you are the team manager or the admin, you can manage or remove the published agents. Lastly, we will do a recap of the roles users can have within a project or agent. Members are normal users with limited access who primarily focus on their dedicated workspace. They create and manage their own agents and sources within My Workspace and can request to publish these resources to other teams when needed. They also have reading access for the agents within the team. Members can be assigned by the owner, admin, or team manager to certain teams. Agent managers are users granted specific rights to manage particular project settings. They can modify agent configurations and have the ability to link and unlink various sources as needed. Agent managers can be assigned by the owner, admin, or team manager to certain agents. Agent admins possess extended rights that build upon agent manager capabilities. They retain all agent manager permissions while gaining the additional ability to delete projects, placing them higher in the role and permission hierarchy. Agent admins can be assigned by the owner, admin, or team manager to certain agents. To assign agent manager and agent admin roles, select the agent within the team. Open the Manage Permissions section, select the Add Permission button, select the user and the role. Then click on the Add button to apply the new settings. Lastly, verify if the settings have been saved. This guide covered essential actions within the Teams functionality of Sferal AI, focusing on the My Workspace feature. To complete the Teams training, please check out Part 2 for the team structure within the organization.